What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, can you please like, comment, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Let's get the numbers up, the views up, all that good stuff. But yeah, we've got another Air Max 95. As always, the best Air Max to ever be released, in my opinion, or it's slightly a fact. This is a bit of a different colorway. Marmite, either you love it or you hate it. But personally, I haven't even made my mind up. I just don't know how I feel about them at all. Let's get into it. The box, nothing special. That same old Nike Air Max or Nike Sportswear box in the red and white. The sticker, Nike Air Max 95 Essential, and the colorway on these is white, tall yellow and black. US 11, UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Europe 45, and the style code on these is DQ3982100, and they are made in Indonesia. So these are tall yellows. Yeah, tall yellows. Can't believe I have to double check. You can tell I'm tired. Yeah, Marmite. That's all I'm going to say about that. So from the bottom, we've got that tall yellow. That's actually quite nice, the yellow and black. Yellow and black. Plastic, we got the yellow and black with the white Nike Air. The rest of the sole just basically black, bog standard. Midsole, plain black midsole on a standard essential, as they usually are. We've got those white bubbles, you know, plain white. Bottom layer, we've got a kind of grey, then we've got white, then grey, then we've got a mesh layer. Usually it's just mesh after, but this is a mesh layer as well. And then we've got the mesh on the top. The same white material we have around the toe box. Just a quick look into that material, just so everyone can have a look. It's kind of textured, so if you, yeah, kind of textured. There is a little pink thing in there. I'll take that out with something soon. We've got the lace loops, tall yellow with 3M material in the middle. Black on the tongue, so the tongue is literally all black, and then that's reflective black, so like 3M. Black mesh in the back, white laces, Air Max logo. If you look at it, it says Air Max, not Air Max, A Max. That's pretty odd, not gonna lie. There is a little like cut after the R. It says A Max, AI Max. That's weird. I don't like that. I prefer the original logo, you know, with the like kind of the split and whatever. I can't believe they actually put AI Max. These are definitely real, but AI Max. Yeah, and then we've got, you know, black, yellow around. Not the best, to be honest. Those rounded laces, they've actually got black tips on the end. We've got that tall yellow on the inside. and then the black sock liner and the inner of the tongue. We've got black on the back with the Nike Air. They are slightly growing on me now. Definitely will look nicer on foot, like with a grey tracksuit or a black tracksuit. But, you know, there's just something about these that I don't really like, to be honest. You know, they're not wow, they're not amazing. I think if the yellow was white or black, they will probably be a bit nicer. Just a few edits I will definitely make. I'll change the bubbles as well. I'll do a lot. If you gave me, like, you know, this base design, if you said, look, we need to put color on it, whatever. The yellow, it doesn't go with a lot of things as well, so it has to be like standalone, so like a black tracksuit, grey tracksuit, or whatever. The toe box, I might even change that. If I was to design them, like, I might just make it black. I think that'll probably make them pop way more. Yeah, but there's just something about these I like, but I don't like. They probably need to grow on me more, or I need to wear them. I need to see them with outfits, because I'm that type of person. I need to see them worn. Like, I'll wear them, try them with different outfits, and then think, oh yeah, they're actually quite nice. They're not bad. But, you know, just first look reviews, or, you know, the AI Max, you know, it's a bit, you know, it could have been way better. It's kind of a lazy attempt for me. There's so many different things I could have done on this pair, but overall, as you can tell, not really impressed with them. Like, they're nothing special. I've seen them go on sale in a lot of places. These were actually picked up on sale as well. $164.99 or $169.99. Not worth it for this pair, because, you know, sale rack specials, as I like to call them, they'll go on sale quickly because there's not really much hype about them. But yeah, that's literally it for me for this one. It sounds like a quite negative review. Tell me if you like them, tell me if you hate them, tell me if you rate them. I'll probably update everyone with if I like them or not, just after wearing them or whatever, or they might even go back. Not sure at all. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, share, subscribe, bell icon, all that good stuff. Let's get the views up, the numbers up. And yeah, just wait a few moments, you'll see the on foot video. And most importantly, take care, people.